including a roller for the wicket, few mats, few infrastructure for the ground, and credit goes to one and only Imran Saab for his assistance. Thank you so much, Imran Saab, for doing this.
आपका साथ होगा तभी तो सब कुछ ठीक होगा ना। Thank you, sir.
Please, sir. We'd like to have your 5 minutes.
और तो दूर ही
5 minutes on this occasion.
क्या तो इतने लोग सुपाने चलो बैठे Thank you very much, Dr. Saab. I'm honored and really I'm touched by the words which you spoke about me. Well, I'll be very brief because I don't want to hold you in such a heat and with the direct sun hit on you guys. Allah, alhamdulillah, I have been always, since childhood, I have been always, like kind of moved towards cricket. Cricket was one of my favorite sports. I used to play when I used to be in Tendulkar school, and I remember the times that we sometimes didn't even have the guards, the leg guards and everything, which we need for playing cricket. We never used to have them, but alhamdulillah, slowly, with the times we got everything. But to Palhalan people, I want to promise one thing, that inshallah this place, inshallah in future, this place will be known as a sports hub. Inshallah, hopefully. Inshallah, of the North Kashmir. Because I was right now talking to DSP Saab and our SHO Saab. They were telling me that with coming of a new bypass, this will be a very strategic place. And I promise my youngsters that inshallah, even if I have to go to Delhi and beg in front of Sports Minister of India to develop this place, because this is a vast place, alhamdulillah, you can see not only we can have a cricket pitch, we can have a football a football ground also, and allied things also. And I was telling them, inshallah, I think the time will come when we will have people living around this sports, and so it should be called Palhalan Sports City. So inshallah, my dream, and inshallah, if we are together, if we work together, if we work collectively for the betterment of sports plus the betterment of our youngsters, nothing is impossible. Inshallah. I remember the times when we didn't have anything here. It's because of you guys, you came in and you got the youngsters with you, and you made this place playable. Today, if somebody from Srinagar comes, they'll be also astonished, because we don't have a ground like this even in Srinagar. And the grounds, if we have in Srinagar, they are maintained by Sports Council, or a lot of money is used to make them playable. But alhamdulillah, you guys have created such an asset, and this asset will remain here. And inshallah, we'll invite people from all across Jammu and Kashmir first to come and join us in playing the sport. And inshallah, when we upgrade this, I look forward that the people from rest of our country will come and see. Looking forward to this. Yeah, and I want to send a message from here, that the people who used to give names to Palhalan, alhamdulillah, Palhalan will be always known that they are doers, and when they want to do something, they do. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you for your kind words. God bless you.
Thank